All right, let me change in this headlight. So, gotta take the fender off, of course. I'll tape it up. Or you want to nick your paint. Tape up right here where this grill go to. And we're going to pull the whole fender off to get that out. So, get that fender off. You gotta take the grill off too, and the bumper. Now we gotta unplug our sensors. We're gonna do that right here. And we got another one on this side. And we got the lower grill off. We're gonna go ahead and take the upper grill, main grill off. Now that we got the main grill off, gotta take the bumper off. At least we do on this side, so then I can get the fender off. All right, we end up having to take the wheel off. And that's as low as you need to get the bumper. That's it. You just need to get to these two right here. And they T25s like the rest, so. And that's it. So we got the bumper down. We're gonna start getting this fender off. All right, now that we got the fender out the way, it's 3 screws. Those two on the inside, then we're gonna slither it on out of there right through there. So I lied, they had one more right here. So now I should be able to slide it out. And this one is the V8 twin turbo. This is the better engine. So, you know, Lotto has the 12 cylinder. It doesn't leave you a lot of room to work on. This one looked tight too, but the V8 twin turbo is the better one. But that's a W12 twin turbo. So if you're gonna get a Bentley, I would advise you to get the V8 twin turbo. All right, we slid it right out of there. That's the old one, and you can tell that's the new one, night and day. So we're gonna go ahead and slide that in, plug it up, and see what it do. All right, we got it back in. You see they working. So that's that side. That one worked. I think a light was out or something. One, might be the bulb or something. So he got money. He just bought a new one. Got the bumper back on. Let's go ahead and put this grill back on there. All right, we got that on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fender liner in and put the rim back on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna slap some forges on here real quick, see how they look. I don't know, what y'all think? They look good on there. Still gotta settle down, so let it sit a little lower. Somebody tag my boy in there, tell him to bounce. Don't get him. Yeah. And it's black too. It looks good. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and service the airride compressor. So first thing we did was disconnect the battery, and then we're gonna jack it up, put it in jack mode. And here's the airride compressor right here. We're gonna go ahead and get that going. All right, we just removed the compressor with all the components. And this where it was at. This is all the harnesses and everything. You got 3 main bolts that hold it in there. And there's another connection for the breather and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and swap all this over to the new unit. And we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. All right. There's a side-by-side comparison, you can see. So we gotta take all this off and put it on this one. All right, we got everything back in there, just like factory. And I'm gonna put the cover up back on it, and we're gonna crank it up. Well, I'm gonna crank it up first, and then that way we can check for leaks. And it's in there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and connect the batteries back. We're supposed to change the relay to it, but it was still, actually the air compressor is still good. So there's nothing wrong with it. He just wanted a new one because he got a lot of money. All right, we're gonna check. Okay, we got it. All right, I'll put the covers back. All right, we got it going, and it's back up. Looking good. No lights on. It's still in jack mode. I gotta take it out of jack mode. So I'm gonna do that, and that's it.